We still dey here dey bring you update of wetin dey happen for Osumohu. No be small thing o, and the information wey dey reach us now is that the Nigeria police are planning to deploy more men for inside Osumohu. No be small thing as that one dey happen. They say that last night no be small boom boom o, they throw many ogbonigwe for inside that area as this Biafra Liberation Army don come outside. They come talk am and now we come say hey, things are happening o. But however, let us go and hear wetin this Biafra Liberation Army talk for inside that place. So my people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We see dey here, they bring you update back to back as e dey hot. As you can know, they say that things dey happen for inside Osu. They say na lie o, many people say na lie, but really something dey happen for there because the information we dey get be say that the Nigeria police are planning to deploy more men for inside that area. I say no be small thing go happen, but I say okay, may God do take control. But however, let's listen and hear wetin this Biafra Liberation Army talk before we go come back, continue.
So far, they have released 2 bombs this night. They have released 2 bombs this night. I'm here to report to them that, as usual, the crown of Biafra have swallowed it. So, we are still here. No retreat, no surrender. This is the land of our ancestors. We go nowhere. A lot of you think that Biafra is a child's play, and that is the reason we cannot get Biafra by fighting the same way other nations fight to get their freedom. We are fighting Biafra in a very different way, the way that the war have never expected. We are fighting the freedom of Biafra in a very different way that even the enemy does not even understand. But let me shock you more. We are fighting the Biafra freedom in the way that even we, where they fight this fight, we don't even understand. But the only thing we know is that the spirit of Biafra is leading us to our destination. And that is the reason we don't joke with it. We are fantastically in love with Biafra. You know why? As I always tell you, as I've told you before, that is the only hope of a black race. So therefore, while you are dreaming of sabotaging this struggle, while you are dreaming of ending this struggle, while you are dreaming in your whole imagination of stopping Biafra from being restored, you are dreaming about your untiming stand. Why we did what we did. For now, a lot of people are blind concerning the issue of Biafra. For now, many Biafrans are very blind. And that is the reason, at this very point of the time, we don't care who you are. If we find you to be a saboteur, you are a gunner. If we find you guilty of betraying Biafra, you are a gunner. Nothing will save you. The zoo are so confused. Tomorrow is going to be 2 weeks, making it 14 days. They still do not understand that this war they can never win. Get them to calculate each bomb, how much is it cost. Islam think that they can, come to Biafra land and Islamize us, kill us. You never see something. Whether you believe me or not, you can't stop the coming of Biafra. Whether you like it or not, you cannot stop the coming of Biafra. Whether you accept it or not, you cannot stop the restoration of Biafra. Whether you want it or not, you can never stop the coming of Biafra. Biafra is here, and nothing can take it away from us. And so bear it in mind that no matter how hard you try, you will fail. You will always fail. The same way you failed before, the same way you will fail. You will always fail. The same way your naira is falling, is the same way you will fail. You will always fail the same way your country can never move forward. That is always going backward. In the same way you will fail. You will fail the same way you are crying of hunger now. In the same way you will fail. The more you fight, the more you drown yourself. Because Biafra is like a very mighty ocean that you can never finish drinking of it. And you cannot swim out to. You can never swim out of it. As you just fall in, you must drown. The more you try harder to swim, the more you keep drunk, sinking down. Yes. That is the truth. You understand that Biafra is the fire you can never quench. It keep burning. And it will keep burning. It will keep burning until it consumes all the enemies of Biafra. Then you will understand that Biafra is like the air, the most dangerous gas that will choke your throat to death. You will understand very soon. Very soon you will understand why we say no Biafra, no peace for you, the zoo. You understand why we say no Biafra, no peace for you, zoo. You understand why we say the more you come, the more you will fall. You will soon understand the reason why we say no Biafra, nothing is important to us. You will understand very soon why we keep telling you that Biafra, it is either Biafra or Biafra. Yes. You will soon understand. Because you are very blind. The same way Pharaoh was blind. You will keep remaining blind until your destruction take you away. And you will be nowhere to be found. Yes. That is a fact. And that is why I'm telling you this night. Today is the last market day in Igbo land. Nkwo. You have entered Eke. And I'm telling you this night that Eke will destroy you. Ore will destroy you. Afo will destroy you. And Nkwo will keep destroying you. You can never, never, never escape the wrath of Chukwu Abiyama that is coming. Then you will understand that what we said, that no Biafra, no peace, we were indeed mean it. It wasn't a threat. Then you will know why we say it is either Biafra or Biafra. Then you will understand very well the reason why we can never let go of Biafra. I believe you get the message. Fight hard, you will die hard. This is the land of our ancestors. The portion whom Chukwu Kikabiama, the creator, gave to our great-great-great-grandfather, that gave to our great-grandfather, that gave to our grandfather, that gave to our father, that hand over to us. And it is a must that we hand over this land to our children. And do you know what? We have taken an oath that we will not just hand over this life, this land, this Biafra land to our children without us, first and foremost, removing every threat, every killer, every evil away from the land. We have taken an oath that before we give this land to our children and our children unborn, that there must be no presence of Fulani, there must be no presence of Yoruba, there must be no presence of Britain, there must be no presence of any saboteur in it. That we must restore Biafra in all our purity, and our children and our children unborn may enjoy the goodness of Chukwu Kikabiama in the land of the living. And believe you me, that is the oath we took. And if need be that we lay down our life to this Biafra that we hold so dearly, so be it. No going back. And let me tell you, this very land of our ancestors, it is our belonging. It is our portion. It is our possession. We go nowhere. We go nowhere. So why you are coming in this land, why you are trooping in the name of killing indigenous people of Biafra, write your will, because the land will swallow you. Your end is definitely going to be in the land of Biafra. That is the word I can tell you. Some of you have witnessed it. Some of you have wished you never come, but it was too late. Those of you that are still remaining alive in the source of this Biafra land, in the name of killing the innocent people, believe you me, it will soon be too late for you. So therefore, for the lovers of freedom and the good people of Biafra, tonight, put on your red and white candle. If you have only red, put it and pray for the vengeance. If you have black, red and white, put it and pray for the vengeance and the victory of the army, these heavenly soldiers. The enemies of Biafra will wake up dead. They have come that they may die, and they must definitely die in the land of Biafra. So therefore, we are here to defend this land, and those that come in with evil mind, their evil will destroy them. And as I say, I decree, and so shall it be, now and forevermore. You see. Remain blessed.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back as you don listen and hear wetin dey happen for that area. So for those of una wey dey live for this area, may una dey look una back and una dey watch well, because we love una so much. That's why we dey here dey bring you update of things wey dey happen. Our work na to talk anything wey we see wey dey happen. So in case of you come across our video, you no like the kind thing wey we dey talk, abeg check the next one. You go still see the one wey you like, because I understand so many people dey talk say if I talk this one, they so you talk. We are social media where they bring information of things where they happen. That's the only thing you got to understand. Please share this video and follow this page for more updates. Guys, drop your own opinion for inside comment section as you don't watch the video, so that we will come there and talk about them. Thank you so much and check the next video.